This is how I fix my dashboard cam to Mazda 3 2008 model. Please just follow the instruction and it's very easy to fix. Here is the dashboard cam and here is what you are seeing now, the video from the dashboard cam. It's very easy. After you remove the radio, the Android radio, the USB, it's a USB. There are two types. Take one of it, any one, connect it. I lose it here, this pigeonhole. I lose this screw here, I lose this one, and I lose this one. I lose the fourth one here. I pull it down. You can see I just took the cable past the back, then follow the edge here, and I follow it here. Follow this line and take it through here up and take it down here. That is just what it takes. You need two things to do it. You need a star screwdriver. You need a star screwdriver, and you need this plastic bar to pull. I use this to open all the edges that enable me to lay my cable neatly. That is how I do it. It's very easy. So please just follow the instruction. Once more again, this is the USB which I plug to the Android radio. From there I fix the camera straight and pass it through the edge and I hang it up here. That is very simple. Thank you very much.